Okay, so this is our Aussie King Cobra Cube unit. It's a B-class machine, produces 5,000 PSI and 20 litres per minute. As you can see, this is our new version in the stainless steel frame with the Cube cradle or mounting lock, comes as standard. Now for this machine, as it is B-class, it's mandatory and required to have an e-stop on the unit. All of our machines have the battery master switch, of course, which is just giving added protection for the electric system on the unit, and you're getting better life out of your battery. Also with the machine, that's a B-class unit, hose restraints must be fitted to the outlet sewer hose on the unit. This is the end of our 1/4-inch hose off the main reel. You'll see it's fitted with a safety hose restraint which connects either to your Viper mini reel or to your trigger gun assembly.